Good morning guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're popping by for the first time, karibu sana. My name is Joan Kateu and I'm coming to you guys. Wait, toto wacha umetupa sawa. So I'm coming to you guys from home. Tumekuja kusalimia mom-in-law. So I want to bring you guys along with me and see like how it is to spend a week with my in-laws. Yeah, so karibuni sana and enjoy the video. So about now guys, I want to clean some dishes and do like just like cleaning around cause naona bado niko safi. Yeah, and then after that I'll get to make a breakfast. Yeah, so I think most of the things I'll just like time lapse. Yeah, so I hope mko okay with that and I hope you get to enjoy the video guys. So guys, after breakfast unafanya cleaning and then ni mpaka baadaye kuja kumake supper cause we don't like have lunch. We always have like heavy breakfast and then after that ni supper, but in between tuna have some snacks. Yeah, so nimemaliza, clean jiko na kuja kumake supper. So dad amekuja ndo nataka kumletea lunch, just a snack because we've had our breakfast and hatuna kumake like main lunch, so it's just a snack and then tutakuja supper baadaye. For the meantime, I'm just chilling and watching my favorite show. Yeah, so and after this I think I'm gonna go and nap for like an hour because I feel kind of tired. But so see you later guys. It's about time to start making dinner. Napika sima, some greens na nyama. Yeah, but it's around 5, so huku tunapika mapema, tunakula mapema. Yeah, and as always na time lapse everything for you guys. Keep it locked. thank you so much guys for making it this far. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join the family. Also put on your notification bell so that you may be notified anytime I post. And please, may you like the video to reach as many people as possible. If you are like kind enough, please share the video, and it's gonna mean like a lot to me. Thank you so much for everything. Bye.